In this video, we'll show how to configure the RIoT MINIHUB to a Wi-Fi connection. The RIoT MINIHUB is an RF and Wi-Fi gateway between your smart device and any RF receivers or RIoT sensors. To set up the MINIHUB, first download the RIoT Wi-Fi Wizard app from either Google Play or the App Store. On the MINIHUB, press and hold the setup switch until the data LED is on solid. Release the setup switch, and your data LED will begin flashing twice. The MINIHUB is now transmitting its own SSID signal. Back on the Wi-Fi Wizard, click the arrow in the top right of the app, then wait for your device to pick up the MINIHUB's SSID signal. Select your MINIHUB on the app, then select Connect. On an Apple device, you'll need to then select the MINIHUB device code on your Wi-Fi settings tab. Then head back to the Wi-Fi Wizard. Now input your Wi-Fi and password. If you intend on using a receiver or RIoT sensor in a LoRa mode instead of FM, this is also where you'll need to set the MINIHUB to operate in your chosen mode of operation. Once you have inputted your Wi-Fi settings, press Save, then Yes to rebooting your device, and the data LED on your hub will flash rapidly. When this is returned to a solid state, your hub is connected to Wi-Fi. Completely close down your Wi-Fi Wizard app, and that's it. To find out how to set up your smart device as a remote control transmitter, click on the video tutorial. And to find out how to set up any of the RIoT sensors and monitor these via the RIoT Sense app, click on the video playlist. Thanks for watching.